If you are planning to start a website in 2025 and looking for a reliable and beginner-friendly web hosting provider, then this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to give you a complete and honest review of one of the most popular hosting platforms in the world, Bluehost. By the end of this video, you'll clearly know whether this hosting is right for your website or not. Bluehost is one of the oldest and most trusted web hosting companies in the market. It is officially recommended by WordPress, which already makes it a strong choice for beginners. Whether you want to create a blog, a business website, or even an online store, Bluehost provides all the basic tools you need to get started without any technical knowledge. One of the biggest advantages of Bluehost is its ease of use. The dashboard is very clean and simple, which means even if you are creating your first website, you won't feel confused. With just a few clicks, you can install WordPress, set up your domain, and start building your website. They also offer a free domain for the first year, which helps you save extra money when you are just starting out. When it comes to performance, Bluehost offers good speed and stable uptime for small and medium websites. Your website loads fast enough for blogs, portfolios, and business sites. They use modern servers and optimized configurations to ensure your website stays online most of the time without interruptions. Another strong point is customer support. Bluehost provides 24/7 customer support through live chat and phone. This is very helpful, especially for beginners who might face issues while setting up their website. Their support team is generally responsive and guides you step by step to solve common problems. Now let's talk about pricing. Bluehost is known for its affordable starting plans. Their basic plan is suitable for beginners who want to host a single website. However, one thing you should keep in mind is that renewal prices are higher than the initial discounted price. So it's always a good idea to choose a longer plan in the beginning to save money. Like every hosting provider, Bluehost also has some downsides. Advanced users might feel limited because it does not offer as many advanced features as some premium hosting providers. Also, some important features like daily backups may require additional payment depending on your plan. So, is Bluehost worth it? If you are a beginner, blogger, or small business owner looking for an easy-to-use and trusted hosting provider, then Bluehost is definitely a solid option. It offers a good balance of affordability, performance, and support, making it a great choice for starting your online journey. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments which hosting provider you want me to review next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.